This month, we have a new update to our ribbon. So we've heard from you guys that sometimes it can be difficult to find the particular features that you're looking for in the ribbon. And so this month, we've added in a search bar to the top. If you click in the search bar, you'll see some suggested actions that might direct you to actions that you'll want to take. And if you see this little arrow here, if I click on it, it'll even fly out and show me the additional options. And in this case, I'm looking at the themes options. I can start searching in my search box to look for a particular item that I might want to do something with. So in this case, I haven't even fully typed the word measure, but it gives me the options for new measure or quick measure, or even pulls out recent files that I have that might have part of that search term I'm looking for. If you're looking for a particular item, you can also go to, once you search it out, you can also click on this help button, and this help button will actually take you out to Microsoft documentation directly. Something else to note is that if I click on a particular field, if I just select it, and then I go to my search bar, you can see that the actions here for format and things like data type, if it's enabled, I can change them directly in line within the search bar.